Okay, this is a 50. Actually, this is a 135 lens that I have. I'll show you the glass. Actually, I take out the filter first. 135 has a hood. Aesthetics. I'm not sure why, but the button fell out. So yeah, sadly, the button I will give you guys together lah. Yeah. Okay, so this is the aesthetics. The front, the back. Let me dust it off a bit. Okay. Probably I should clean it a bit at the back, but I'm gonna sell it as it is because I'll show you the reason why. So number one is that this lens, I'm not sure why it doesn't lock. So, but technically it's still usable, just like it doesn't lock. The aperture works fine. Alright. However, when I do a shine test, you can see some organic formations. So yeah, I think it's fungus. So this lens I will sell it as it is, but I get a discount now. So there you go, 135 Canon f3.5. Thanks everyone.